Alright, so it's 2020, New Year's, and around this time, people are planning. I'm gonna go to IKEA, get some motivation, look around some stuff, might pick up some stuff. We're gonna see what they got. You know, everyone's goal in life is to have a happy home. And we're gonna go see what IKEA got. I try to look at cars, houses, or just nice things for a house because, I don't know, I look at things that's most expensive and I say, man, you know, if I can only get that. So throughout the year, I would think about that stuff and try to, you know, work hard to get it. If there's anything that you guys see in this video that you like, let me know down below what you think. And let's have fun with this. This couch is very comfortable, and I like the gray, and I hope it comes with this dog right here. It's nice and cushiony. There's something about IKEA's material that's real controversial. See, I was gonna say the same thing about the LED lights.
If it wasn't blinking, I feel like if it could just commit,
to like one color.
Yeah.
Like I feel like if it's like only a soft purple glow,
right?
You know?
See, I wanted us to look at a strobe option, you know.
Oh yeah, like there's the party time,
Oh.
and then there's the like
I think
regular night.
Maybe this might be it right here.
Yeah, you did it.
Okay,
magic.
cool. Yeah, I like the LED lights, but definitely.
Oh well, that's.
I agree. I don't like the strobing effects, but I know in the man cave I get that. Yeah, nighttime LED lights is actually better for your eyes and actually lights, from what I hear. Yeah, it is kind of a little corny. I would have like a dark color, a purple color, reddish color or something. My man cave, but what do you guys think? You guys like the LED light? See, this is what I'm talking about. This leather feather couch. It's very uncomfortable, but it costs so much. That's what I said. I feel like one little poke, all the stuff is gonna be coming out. You just gotta be careful for what you buy for here. And this costs $1,000. Hey, if you got the money and if you like it, pick it up. It looks nice, but nah. All right. See, this feels a hell of a lot better than the last one. I like this one. This one I can relax on. Oh my gosh. Yes, I can relax on this one. I like this one. This is one good one. So you're gonna look for some, get this one. All right, let's take a seat. Again, it's that same material as that first couch. As you see, that rough dinosaur skin material. Nah, this just isn't it. I need something comfortable. Something like this you gotta break into. I'm just not feeling it. Like something like that is, it looks nice when you look at it until you buy it. It's like, where am I gonna put this at? That's up to y'all. I'm a fan of wood and the dark wood colors. I know something about it. This feels luxury, you know, just feels like it's outdoors, like kind of natural wood. It gives you a peace of mind, in my opinion. How do you guys feel about fake plants and decor? People think it's overrated. That's not a waste. That makes it more lively, you know? To me, I think you need stuff like that in the house, because if you don't, it's just an empty house. It makes it look a little boring, you know? Like pictures. You need pictures in the house too to liven it up. Okay, you know what? This right here, all this, better get a dream house, and I want this inside. I'm getting this right here. This looks nice. All this, it looks nice. This is perfect for me. I want this. So when I first got here, I saw these candles and I was like, do anyone here buy candles? And I'm not gonna lie, they smell great. I've been smelling something this whole time. Come to find out, it was them. And the best smell that I like, so whatever this is right here, what does it say? Cinnamon. Yeah, this smells amazing. This is raspberries, strawberries. And it heats for 55 hours. Thanks for watching this video. Now, just got in and I gotta edit it, put it together, put some magic onto it. Thank you guys for watching. This is Devin. You guys have a blessed day, and I'm out.